Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we got a 2011 Cadillac STS. On this 2011 Cadillac STS we're going to do all types of work on it. But first we're going to start with how you would pop the hood. So we've got our car parked and we'll go around to pop the hood lever. So you're going to come over to the driver's door and you'll open it, and we have the hood lever right here. You're going to pull that and you're going to hear the pop noise out there. This pulls a cable that unhooks the safety latch out front. And now we'll go pop the hood up so that we can be able to check the fluids and everything else. So we've popped the lever in there, and right here we're going to pull the hood up a little bit, and you're going to see that the lever is just a little bit to the left of the emblem. And then you just pull that like that, and then you're able to raise the hood. This lift strut is a little worn out, so you would look into replacing that. But in the meantime, you're just going to use a pair of vice grips to keep it up. To be able to work under it without it falling on us, or you'd put a piece of wood to hold it up. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.